Good morning, Roko team. Yeah, for following the assignments, I have chosen the top five sectors that I can think of to implement AI and get the most productive human hours as possible. So I have selected the business intelligence, customer care management, digital sales, software engineering, and supply chain management. And I have written the report for the question one, the AI implementation plan, following the requirements as instructed. So this video is for specifically question two and specifically part one. So here the requirement is mentioning at least three AI tools. So yeah, the first one is the business intelligence tool that I personally used and familiar with it. So as a business intelligence developer myself, I have I had the opportunity to use the Microsoft Power BI Copilot, which is an integrated AI tool within the Power BI environment. So Power BI is an independent data visualization tool, and Copilot is a new feature that comes along with the Power BI. So I cannot have the access on my personal desktop, so I'm gonna give a demonstration from a demo video. So as you can see, the Power BI platform is kind of a data visualization tool, which uses lots of data, lots of measurements and attributes to make a visualization. So if we give a command to that Copilot, for example, you can say help me build a report summary and uh, s- specify the if we specify the data attributes, measures, and everything, the Copilot can make me or arrange a um, beautiful dashboards or the possible visualization ideas to me to help me to make my final or original dashboard. As you can see, it can create a demo visual like how which data can use to make visuals, like which visuals can be made from this data, specific data. So it can give me an idea to implement the design and color codes to my final visualization. So yeah, it's a pretty useful AI tool that comes along with the Power BI. So here there goes the AI tool for the business intelligence, and same can be used with the Tableau too. Tableau itself has a new feature with the AI Copilot. Yeah, the second one is the customer care management. During the peak of the AI revolution, the one of the most um, popular customer care management system is Zendesk. Zendesk can be used to uh, serve the customers, the tickets, and everything. It's the total ultimate customer care management system. So last during the last year, Zendesk launched their own AI tool that comes with with their environment. And about the Zendesk AI, you can see if we eh, you can see the uh, working methods of the Zendesk AI. So it do not give official or proactive response to the customers. Zendesk AI can give a prompt response to the customers and collect the necessary information for a human to go through the information and everything that a customer has and assist the customer as soon as possible to improve the response time and improve the productivity of the team. As you can see, the customers have some tags on them on their profile that AI collected from the customers and escalated to a human to give a depth or customer service. So you can see the AI generated the customer tags like is a VIP customer and priority shopping and everything. And later on, a customer can take over. A, a, a customer service provider can take over the conversation that made with the AI itself. So it can be a very useful tool as for the Rokomari, as they have a pretty huge customer base and every customer needs a specific services. So AI can reorganize and define the specific department or individuals to assign the customer to. So yeah, the Zendesk AI can be used like this, and the later on, if we can go for the next one, it's software engineering. For our software engineering sector, uh, there are two tools available. So first one is ChatGPT and one is GitHub Copilot. So as you can see, there are a lot of repetitive words and codes that has to be written. And before the ChatGPT ones, a developer has to write same codes again and again and again. As simple as the SQL, this SQL code. So a software developer can use ChatGPT use like this to write a base code, like a repetitive code, for them to develop and increase their productivity within the working hours. And the GitHub Copilot is the same kind of thing. It's just it can give a lot of um, depth ideas to the developer and identify the new technologies and web technologies and different languages. Even if a developer do not have the knowledge on the language itself, GitHub Copilot can help the developer to write a fairly new language, and a developer can be compatible with the new language much sooner with the AI help assistance. I have added the fourth AI tool that can greatly impact the productivity of the graphic designing sector, such as Canva. So as you can see, there were jobs to crop the photos and everything. And using the Canva AI tool, you can just copy and paste it, and they're using their own AI technology. Uh, we can we can just remove the background and do any kind of short graphic task using just clicks. Uh, before this creation, uh, there were people to do this specific task, and they took long hours to do this. So as you can see, it can be used. It can be done by a click. So yeah, it can improvise and increase the productivity from the graphic designer team greatly. So yeah, this is the four AI tool that I've used, and there are more tools I have in mind to implement for the mentioned sector, like supply chain management and digital sales for as like for the chat engines and everything. And yeah, looking forward to get a reply from Roko team. Yeah, thank you so much for your time.